children feel safe, they can take risks, ask questions, make mistakes, learn to trust, share their feelings, and grow. This video highlights Domain 2, which is about learning environment. Domain 2 emphasizes the role of teachers in providing learning environments that are safe, secure, fair, and supportive in order to promote learner responsibility and achievement. This domain centers on creating an environment that is learning-focused and in which teachers efficiently manage learner behavior in a physical and virtual space. Besides the curriculum, the learning environment plays an essential function in the teaching-learning process.
We interviewed Miss Marilyn B. Arenas, a grade 1 teacher at Bayambang Central School, who is currently a Master Teacher 3. In the year 2011, she began teaching, making her 12 years in service. They have tried handling kinder, grades 2, 3, and 4, and currently she is teaching grade 1 for 3 years.
Ms. Arenas leads and manages her classroom by performing good example. Set goals where effective teaching learning in classroom takes place.
Ms. Arenas make lessons relevant to all by making learning fun and interesting. Also, by meeting the individual's need and encourages learners to explore by collaboration.
Ms. Arenas engaged her students in all learning activities by being consistent in encouraging students to present and share work in class. Also, make every time work time to let everyone active.
Based on our observation, the classroom is organized, comfortable, and they have seating arrangement. The classroom has rules, a class routine. The classroom has a television that supports student learning.
Before they proceed to discussion, they have routines wherein the students will sing and dance for them to be energized. We have observed the teacher-student interaction through asking questions and letting the students recite and not answer in chorus. A teacher-centered approach was observed. All the information came from the teacher. However, she includes the students through asking questions.
We had observed that they had the classroom routines and procedures which makes the students focus on learning. We observed that Ms. Arenas have different strategies on how to discipline her students. Moreover, repetition was employed or used for the students to further understand the lesson and impart in their mind. By implementing the classroom routines in our classroom, we can ensure that learners will understand what is expected of them and feel more comfortable engaging in the class discussion and activities.
Learning environment has a great impact to learners. A safe and conducive learning environment will help students become more motivated. When a teacher establishes a good rapport with his or her learner, it fosters open communication, leading to enhanced participation and engagement in the learning process. Furthermore, when a learner feels he or she belongs to the group, a lot of opportunities will not be wasted and skills will be improved.
In order to establish a productive environment in your classroom, it is helpful for educators to learn about the elements and tactics for accommodating all learning styles. Here are the rules and regulations that we future educators believe make the learning environment safe and conducive.
Environment plays a vital role for every learner. When the environment is safe and conducive, it ensures successful learning. Further, the learning environment has an impact on the learner's motivation to learn. When a student is motivated, all the lessons that the teachers will discuss will be successfully imparted to the learner. As a would-be teacher, it is crucial to create an environment that is safe and conducive to learner. Firstly, the physical structure of the classroom must be safe and comfortable for the learners. A lesson must be free from the possibility of physical harm or injuries that students may encounter.
Secondly, promote respect among students, encourage open communication, and establish rules and regulations. Rules and regulations will make an environment safe because there will be guidelines that students need to follow. Also, routines and procedures make the classroom organized, leading to a safe learning environment. Moreover, by providing them with interactive activities, students are more willing to participate and take risks. It is a must that the students are motivated to learn so that all the knowledge will be imparted successfully.
Lastly, giving support and being attentive to individual needs can create an atmosphere conducive to learning. As a teacher, the individual needs of the students must be taken into consideration so that all the things that will be done inside the classroom will be aligned and appropriate to them. Indeed, creating an environment that is safe and conducive to the learners is challenging, but the result that can totally pay off all our efforts. As a future teacher, it is our responsibility to make the environment safe and conducive to the learners.